Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are safe and having amazing time with your families. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made a veg burger at home and also few moments how we spent our lockdown time. Hope you like it. Well, this is the veg stuffing which I made at home. I'll be having it with pudina spread and also tomato sauce. Finally, we all got some time to spend with families, take care of ourselves, and also enjoy the nature. During this lockdown period, it's blessing for IT people to work from home. We try maximum not to go out of the house, but once in a while, we have to step out to buy those minimum necessities. Never seen these food shelves empty like this before. Well, Aryan's haircut is pending now, and Joe's managed to give it a go, and he's trying his best to give him a new look. To make the wet stuffings in the burger, I took some bell pepper, onion leaves, coriander leaves, and onion. Take 3 or 4 medium sized potatoes, boil them, and keep it aside. Now mash these potatoes while they are still hot. I'm using a fork here. Now I'm taking a pan, adding little butter to that and tossing all these vegetables which I chopped to remove the raw flavor from it. Now adding some salt, garlic powder and also oregano powder to that. You can add any extra flavors which you and your family members like. Now add this mixture carefully to the mashed potatoes and also add 2 tablespoons of roasted breadcrumbs. Now adding some grated cheese to that and mixing it thoroughly. Mix it properly, make them into flat spreads like this and keep them aside. Now to make a proper binding, we'll take some all-purpose flour and little corn flour. Add some water to it and make it into a smoother liquid. Now we'll take these flat spreads and dip them into the liquid. After that, dip it properly in the breadcrumbs and keep them aside. Now take a pan, add some oil to it and we will shallow fry these fillings. Since the potatoes and all the vegetables are already cooked, we need to make sure that the binding is properly fried and we can take it aside. You can also store them and use it later after few days. The healthy, tasty, and homemade burger spreads are ready now. You can use them with the regular burger buns, with whatever spreads you like to. Do try it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to hit the like button in YouTube. Thank you. Bye.